There's an interesting connection between our mitochondrial health and our fascial hydration. Remember, fascia is this body wide connective tissue that connects to every single structure in the body. It communicates tension, it helps communicate with the nervous system, the immune system, our lymphatic system that flushes out any kind of pollutants or toxins in the body. It's this web of energy and information that flows throughout the body. And our mitochondria are those little organelles that exist within our cells. Almost every cell in the body, except red blood cells, have these mitochondria in them, and they create ATP. Every time a molecule of ATP is created in the electron transport chain of the mitochondria, water is also created. So, as electrons quantum tunnel down the electron transport chain, which is located in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. The mitochondria has an outer membrane and a wiggly, squiggly inner membrane. In that inner membrane lives the electron transport chain, and that is where electrons quantum tunnel down this chain, and the end product is ATP, a source of cellular energy. It also helps with protein scaffolding, allowing proteins to keep their shape and function. But cellular energy is so important. It's also important for us to understand that more is happening in that electron transport chain. That electron transport chain is creating a magnetic field, an infrared source with the spinning of that last protein complex. There are four protein complexes, and that fifth protein complex, ATP synthase, looks like the letter T, and it spins and creates this magnetic pull, pulling down a proton to create ATP. It creates infrared energy at the same time. And the complex next to it, complex 4, creates water. This metabolic water within the cell has been postulated to play a role in our fascial hydration. And so, tending to our mitochondrial health may have an influence on our fascial hydration and the state of our fascia. We know that they're intimately intertwined. And how do we tend to our mitochondria? We tend to our circadian rhythm, getting up in the morning, getting natural light throughout the day, lowering the lights at night so that we can prepare for a deep restorative sleep, getting movement, getting an abundance of polyphenols in our diet, making sure that we have appropriate quality fats, omega-3 fatty acids, phospholipids that really help support and fuel those two membranes that the mitochondria has, right? That outer membrane and that wiggly inner membrane. It is really important for us to be supporting those as well. Even our thoughts and emotions can influence the health of our mitochondria with states of mindfulness and meditation and positive feelings influencing the production of cellular energy and ATP, and thus the production of that cellular water within. So, when we think about our mitochondrial health, when we think about our fascial health, this body wide web of connective tissue that is acting as a major hub of communication within the body, we have to think about tending to our mitochondria. It's all connected. There's a way to view the body where it's not chemistry first, it's energy first. Quantum biology approach to health looks at the inputs that happen before chemistry. And so when we're thinking about fascial health, yes, nutrients, movement, different fascial maneuvers are important, but the inputs before chemistry also matter. The energy and water that our mitochondria are making, the energy of our thoughts and emotions, our environmental energy, the light, the sound. All of this plays a key role in both the health of our mitochondria and the health of our fascia. Thank you so much for being here. And if you enjoyed this, please stay tuned for more.